Hey guys, today our hire washing machine med lab is going to present to you the direct motion motor that pulls an airplane. You probably know the motor of washing machine has two types, direct drive motor and the belt drive motor. But do you know the huge difference? Let's have a look. So let's see what the direct drive motor can do. 3, 2, 1, go! Next, we'll install a normal belt motor. 3, 2, 1, go! That's amazing, the difference is crystal clear. To pull the airplane by the belt drive motor, the plane stands still. While by the direct drive motor, the plane is pulled up. It really impressed us. This is the Haier washing machine direct motion motor.